Hey guys 皆さんこんにちは、キアです。ということでね、久しぶりに飛行機の動画をアップデートしていこうと思うので、今飛行場に来て、今からソロチェックということで、一人で単独飛行行く前にチェックが他の教官からあるんですけど、そのチェックを今から違う教官とねしていくので、よいしょ。そう、違う教官とね今からソロチェックをしていくので、はい、頑張りましょう。ではまずウォークアラウンドって言ってね、飛行機に異常がないか確認するためのライトとかね、全て確認していきます。フラップスダウン。ここで全てのねナビゲーションライトとか作動していることを確認します。作動していることを確認します。
Tower Tango Delta Kilo, hold short on runway 09, ready for takeoff.
Tango Delta Kilo, line up and wait, runway 09, number 2 for departure to the Cessna.
Line up, number 2, Tango Delta Kilo.
Tango Delta Kilo, clear for takeoff, runway 09.
Clear for takeoff, runway 09, Tango Delta Kilo.
Okie dokie, anytime you're ready.
Okay. Airspeed alive.
Very nice. Very nice.
Okay. Magneto exposed, master switch on, bridge, fuel cell to valve closed, brakes check, belt oscillation is secured.
Very good.
Okay. Tower Tango Delta Kilo on downwind, ready for touch and go.
Tango Delta Kilo, I'll call the base turn.
Kilo call the base, Tango Delta Kilo.
Usually when you put the flap on, when do you do it? On final or base? For the 10-degree flap?
Base, turn, when we're turning.
Yeah, so we're on base right now.
Yeah.
So when do you put... Oh, you got your 10
yeah.
Yeah. I didn't see you do it.
Tango Delta Kilo, caution turbulence from the Boeing, clear touch and go, runway 09.
Clear for touch and go, runway 09, Tango Delta Kilo.
Very nice. Keep going. Keep side slipping. There's still a little high. I'd say that's pretty good there, right?
Okay.
Oops, that's unfortunate to see we caught it a little bit. Very nice.
Thumbs up.
Alright, this time I'm opening the window on the takeoff, okay? Just to let you see what it feels like.
Rotate.
Alright, no panic, just keep flying. Forget about the noise or anything. Always climb away.
Okay. magnetos, burst master switch on, mixture rich. Fuel cells about burst, brakes check, belt ultimate disappeared. Cow tank at the kilo downwind from the goal.
Hey, Bravo Kilo, you're number 2, your traffic short file.
Number 2, tank at the kilo. Yep.
Hey, Bravo Kilo, if I didn't give it to you, you're clear to touch and go runway 09.
Clear for touch and go, runway 09, tank at the kilo.
Foxtrot Whiskey Sierra, where
Yeah, I
you
don't
parking
think he
today?
did actually.
At
Did he?
Victoria flank.
Very nice.
Hey.
Those could have been a little bit higher on the landing.
okay.
That's okay. All right.
Hey. Ground tank at the kilo on 2-1 for the club.
Hey, let's go taxi Echo Sierra to the club.
Taxi back goes 0, tank at the kilo.
All right. So
Where should I park it?
just sneak around the back here.
Oh, there's someone coming though.
Oh, there is. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's why that guy's waiting there. Oh, damn. I don't know what's going on here.